Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we'll have a very special video series in which we'll be having mathematical trick and mathematical magic, I should say. Whatever your interpretation is, let's dive right into the show. Once upon a time I met a person in my life and he said, think of a number and I will tell you what is that number that you're thinking of. Well, maybe that sounds strange, but I have to do these steps in order for me to verify if that person really is not talking about reality or talking about magic. Okay, so why not try this? Think of a number and I will tell you what is your number. Okay, so we have here 6 steps to follow, and step number 1 says think or write any number. Are you kidding me? Any number? Yes, any number. Okay, so in my example here I will choose number 10, and in your case you may choose any number that you would like to choose. Okay, so my choice here is number 10. Step number 2 says double your number. I will double my number, so that will be 2 times 10, and my answer is 20. Okay, in your case, whatever number that you have written or whatever number that you have thought, multiply that by 2 and you will comply with step number 2, which says double your number. Step number 3 says add 10 to the result in step number 2. So step number 2, I have obtained 20 and I will add here 10 and my answer is 30. In your case, I don't know what your total is, what is the sum of your number, but just add number 10 to whatever number you have obtained in step number 2. Step number 4, divide the result in step number 3 by 2. So whatever number you have obtained in step number 3, we will divide that by 2. In my case here, I will divide 30 by 2 and my answer is 15. In your case there, I don't know what your number is, but in my case here, my number is 15. Okay? Step number 5. Subtract your original number in step 1 from the result in step number 4. What is my original number? My original number is 10. In your case, I don't know what is your original number, but here in my example, I will subtract 10 from the result in step number 4, and my result in step number 4 is 15. So my case here in step number 5 is 15 minus 10. Okay? And my answer is 5. And step number 6, I will tell you the answer. My answer is 5. And you know, and I know, we both know, and we all know that your answer also is 5. Is it magic? Is it a trick or something like amazing? Let's try another one. Did you get number 5 also? Same as with me, but we thought different numbers in step number 1. Is it a trick? Is it a magic? Let's try another one. Think of a number. Let's repeat the process. Think or write any number. Any number. My favorite number is, of course, 31. I'm aka 31.1. I will choose 31. Okay? And step number 2 says double your number. So I will double or multiply my number by 2. And my number is 31 times 2. That would be 62. In your case there, I don't know what is your number, but step number 2 says just double your number. Whatever is that number, multiply that by 2. And this time, we will add number 10 to the result in step number 2. So 62, and I will add 10. My answer is 72. Okay? And step number 4 says divide the result in step number 3 by 2. So my result in step number 3 is 72, and I will divide that by 2, and the answer is 36. In my case, My answer is 36 in step number 4. In your case, I don't know what is your answer. Okay, and step number 5, based from your result in step number 4, my result is 36. I will subtract here the first and original number that you have thought in step number 1. So I have here 36 minus 31, and my answer is 5. Now I will tell your answer. Have you obtained also number 5? Is it magic, is it a trick, or a mathematical process? Let's do another example. In this case, we will change a bit, especially in number 3. Okay? So, first step, think of a number, any number. In this case, I will select a number which is very simple, number 1. My number here is 1. Do not follow me. Choose another number except 1 because number 1 is my number. Okay? You may choose 1,000, 1 million, 3 million, 1 billion, any number. Okay? Double your number, step number 2. So my case here, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. In step number 3, take note, I have changed a little bit. Add 16 to the result in step number 2. Previously, we added 10, but this time we will change that number. Let's say 16. So I have here 2 plus 16, and my answer is 18. Okay? And step number 4 says divide the result in step 3 by 2. That's easy. 18 divided by 2, and the answer is 9. My answer is 9. Your answer, I don't know what's your answer. My answer here is 9. Don't tell me. Okay? Number 5, subtract your original number in step 1 from the result in step number 4. So my result in step number 4 is 9, and I will subtract here my original number, and my original number is 1, and my answer is 8. You know, your answer also is number 8. How did I do that? Did you obtain also number 8? Yes, I'm sure 100% you will obtain number 8. Whether this process is a magic or not, whether this process is a mathematical trick or just a mathematical process, I will tell you in the next video why this one works. Stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. See you soon on the next video. Thank you guys.